we go. So we're going to be closing our eyes and walking forward and then just closing our eyes and moving around without seeing where we're going. So who wants to seek first? Oh, God. Okay. Go on. I'm going to zoom into your face so I know you're closing your eyes.
I'm looking up.
No.
Okay. I'm just gonna...
Green.
I'm green. I'm green.
Double D, double die. Okay, so I'm going to just turn around like this, and then she's going to tell me when she's hidden. Okay, so Michaela is now hidden, but I'm going to kind of cheat. I don't really think it's cheating, but I'm going to fly my pet. Is that cheating?
Yes, that's cheating.
No, it ain't. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
going
that's
to
different.
start by looking at all of the mountains. I don't think she'd be that. By the way, if y'all forgot what her colour is green. Which is pretty hard
Yeah.
now because of the fall update.
I'm just waiting until you just see a random person just sitting somewhere that's got a place that's green.
Lol.
Okay, actually smart. This is actually smart.
What are you doing?
Brighter than the blue.
By the way, the hider can only give away 3 hints. But they'll say when they
Okay,
need it.
Okay, first
Oh
hint,
my god.
You've got to be joking. Hi. It was the only thing that was green.
If anybody chooses pink, if I choose pink, can I ride on this?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna reset my character so I go to my house and then you can TP and then we can do the second round.
Okay, that literally took like 0 seconds.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. No!
You were almost... No, look, you were almost on red.
Oh my god.
You're clearly upset.
Oh my god. Okay.
You need to look around. Okay, ready.
Okay guys, I'm gonna hide and I'm gonna pause it and then unpause it once I'm hidden. I am lost. Guys, so I am now hidden. And it looks so wrong, but I really don't
You're
care. I don't think she'll find me, honestly. I'm in a pretty good spot, but now you can just listen to my ASMR when I drink Coke. Can somebody in the comment section tell Michaela to stop singing Heather?
This is not satisfying.
Let's put some Halloween music on while she tries to find us, but miserably fails. Okay, I don't like that music anymore. How about we listen to the movie that I literally made like ages ago, which is called The Intense Zombie Takeover. And it isn't really that intense, but I like it because she literally bumped into a window in the middle of the making. And then we thought we would just add it because it was cool. Tell me if you need a hint.
Can I first hint?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah. That's actually a big hint. Comment down below if you think that was actually a really big hint.
Butterfly.
I don't think she gets it, guys.
You know I don't play Adopt Me.
die. I'm wondering if she notices or not.
Wait a minute. Butterfly as in fly potion.
No! That is not it.
I'm that stupid. I even forgot that the butterfly was blue.
Do you need another hint?
Please.
Outfit. That's another big hint.
You got a butterfly outfit.
It's not what it sounds like. Do you need your last hint?
Yes.
Pet. Go onto your inventory and you may see what I'm going on about.
My. Do you mean dress up or do you mean something completely different?
In your inventory, girl.
You know, I'm just gonna find you. I'm not using the hints no more. Oh my god, I just realized these hairs could be actually made in Ibis paint law.
What else is pink?
There is the baby shop. There's the ice cream shop.
What else is there? You're getting onto it?
There's a pink tree.
Oh my god, she's a goose. What other shops are there? Ship shop? A ship? A boat? A ship shop?
The hat shop.
The what shop?
Whatever.
The pet wear shop, you dumbo.
That's what I technically said.
Okay, I'm going Literally, I don't get how you did not see me. It was like the most dumb spot ever. Oh, I'm literally... I'm resetting my
Okay,
character.
right. Should we go? Let's go back to your lovely party house.
Yes, okay. I am now at my lovely party house.
Hello. All right.
I don't
Okay,
even need
yeah.
proof that you're closing your eyes anymore because I know you're closing your eyes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, I'm gonna restart that. You gotta be joking!
Look how close you were to red. Dude, you were stood right here.
No!
Okay, I'm going to face the wall, guys, and I'm going to pause it and then play it when I'm looking for her. She got me going down, down, down. Okay, guys. Michaela's hidden. I think her thing was pink.
Yeah, it was.
I can't believe I forgot her colour for a second then. God. Is she in the pink? What's it called? Tiffany car? Is she in the pink carriage? I would have hid here.
I don't have a fly pet, remember?
Whatever.
You suck.
I like how you weren't going to say anything. You were like, I want to say something, but I don't want to give it away. gone here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. I hope I don't get something horrendous. Okay. Please don't be red. Please don't be red. I'm so scared.
Why are you so scared?
I'm scared. I don't want to get blue or red.
Just do it.
Oh, okay, face the wall, kid. I'm sure you won't find me.
You strawberry cake sure?
Yeah. I'm not even hidden yet. I can't hide. Oh my god, that was such an evil laugh. Guys, don't you think my hiding spot is literally going to be amazing? Okay, I'm hidden.
No, really now.
Mm-hmm.
I swear. If it's in the spot that I think it's in, then I think I am going to pee myself with laughter. Lil.
Okay, it's your turn then. Whee!
I bet.
Okay,
I
go.
don't get
I'll try not to laugh and I'll try not to, like, be sad.
I don't trust this.
Open your eyes.
You gotta be joking. I got the perfect hiding spot for this.
Oh, tree in it.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'll just go here.
Yeah, shoot.
I want to go under the stairs. So we're gonna pause it like always.
Yeah.
Just done, guys.
You got no chance.
Stop being so confident. I'm looking in my secret area first because I'm very sus. How could she be in there? There's literally nothing in my secret area that's red. Okay. For flip's sake. If she's in that tree there, I swear to God. No, that's impossible. Never mind.
What?
I just realised how many red things there are.
Good luck.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Are you on a tree?
No.
Okay, goody. Wait, does that count as a hint?
Yeah.
Quack. Don't know where I said that, but quackadoodle. Oh!
You think I'm in that shot now, don't you?
No, I don't. I think you're on the bridge.
Oh yeah, totally not.
I mean, you aren't. I'm very suspicious of this. This bridge.
Why are you suspicious?
Because you laughed when I said no, you're not. Yeah, I don't think you're on the bridge.